Killing Birds is recorded in front of a live studio audience.
Journalist work is done with patience and quiet determination.
What?
Well, Brown's an instructor at LSU before he went to Vietnam.
It says here is blind. Was that Vietnam?
That was later.
Poor bastard. Blind birdwatcher.
Keep reading.
You know, it's nice not to have any senior seminar. I think you all know Anne. She'll be covering the expedition for the witness.
Steve, she'll scoop us. Do you think the Scientific American's gonna want our stuff after it appears in the Witness?
Neither rain nor snow nor sleet nor hail.
Anne's not covering herself, so she's covering us.
Steve's covering Ann.
Okay, I see we're gonna have to discuss some guidelines here. Yeah, that'd be great. But we can handle the rest.
Oh, State says I gotta go along. Keep an eye on things, take care of the motor. Anything happens, you know.
Well, I'm sure we can manage.
Whether you can or can't, camper goes with me. Call me Brian. Pretty piece of tail.
Better not let Paul hear you say that.
Oh yeah? Who is Paul?
This must be the place.
Jeans and tops from Sears are spring wardrobe essentials on sale this week. First, jeans that fit just $10.99. They fit your shape as well as your size. And you save $5. Add the all-cotton top, now just $6.99. Cool comfort and perma-press too, and you save $3. Jeans in western and cinch waist, tops in stripes and solids. These wardrobe essentials are on sale through Saturday at Sears, where America shops for value.
Poor bastard. We gotta keep going, else we'll end up the same way. How come nobody else found that guy before we did? Nobody comes down this way. That's why we have to find a camper fast.
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, don't feel well.
I don't want to talk about it.
Diarrhea,
I don't want to talk about it.
cramps. Try Donagel.
I don't want to.
Donagel relieves diarrhea fast, and Donagel has extra medicine for cramps. Others don't.
Well, no diarrhea, no cramps. Honey, about the way I acted.
I don't want to talk about it.
Donagel, recommended by doctors and pharmacists for diarrhea and cramps.
Relief worth talking about.
Jennifer? Scared the shit out of me. I'm here. Check outside. Coming? Oh, yeah.
We'll check around front. You take the back.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah?
Nothing. Jennifer? Jennifer?
How did it happen?
He wouldn't stop. We couldn't help him. Let's just find Jennifer and get the hell out of here.
Oh, let's get her, please. There's something evil about this place.
All right. Where we go? Rob and I will check around the back, okay, Steve? Good. I'll take another look around the porch.
Thank you.
You better go then.
When that sun breaks out, lift up your head and shout, it's gonna be a great day.
Kellogg's waits for you, that spirit comes shining through, promising you a great day.
It's not much, but...
Go.
What's in this little blue egg that keeps Barbara Eden looking slim and trim?
Ooh, there's only one answer to that. It's Legs Control Top Pantyhose. See, Legs slims and trims but doesn't bind. So you get comfort and control.
Stretching